Welcome to my channel, everyone. And if you're new, thank you so much for joining us. I'm bringing you some cleaning motivation today from around my home, from the stairs, the banisters, the stair spindles, interior doors, a few walls, and some gates that we have to secure our pets. I hope it brings some motivation into your home as well. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. That helps my channel to grow and for me to bring you more content. So here you're just going to see me starting out with a Clorox disinfectant wipe, trying to clean up the dirt and grime that has collected around my stair areas. You'll see that in the next couple of clips. I'm just trying to clean that up a bit. It's amazing how dirty that can get, especially with the white. There was a lot more white there, and I painted it dark gray, especially you see the trim on the side of the walls and down at the bottom of the boards. All that was white when we moved into the home. And I painted it dark gray because it just showed up so much dirt and nastiness. And I still have to clean it more than often than I would like, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was when it was white. see me taking a Clorox disinfectant wipe to remove dust and grime from my interior doors. This particular door leads to my master bedroom, and it's right near the air vent in our ceiling, and I feel like this is why it gets a lot of dust collection on it, because I just cleaned the interior doors upstairs not too long ago. But this is what you will see me doing. I will be trying to remove all that dust and grime that has collected along the corners, the sides, and the top. And now you're just gonna see me cleaning the baby gates around our house. We use these for our pets to keep them from getting to the front door entryway. I've got one on each side, and they really seem to collect, I guess, just a lot of mud and dirt, I guess from the dogs and being opened with maybe dirty hands at times. So what I'm going to do is take the Clorox disinfectant wipe to these as well and go over those really nice and clean. Each and every one of you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. And if you enjoyed the content, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment. It helps my channel to grow and for me to bring you more motivational content.